Now I'd like to turn it over to Mr. Becker.
Good afternoon. This afternoon we filed a number of criminal charges against Brandon Ortiz-Vite, age 25. He was charged with 1 count of felony murder. Felony murder is a maximum penalty of life in prison without the possibility of parole. We filed 1 count of open murder charges. An open murder charge is a maximum penalty of life in prison, possibly with the possibility of parole. The third charge would be 1 count of carjacking. That also is a life maximum. The fourth charge is carrying a concealed weapon, a felony with a maximum penalty of 5 years in prison. And the last charge is 1 count of felony firearm, the use of a firearm in the commission of a felony, specifically a homicide. That is a 2-year maximum penalty consecutive to any the underlying felony that he was convicted of. He was arraigned this afternoon, is my understanding, in the 61st District Court in front of Judge Faber. He was given no bond, and he remains in the Kent County Correctional Facility pending the next court hearing, which will be a probable cause conference. I do not have the specific date for that probable cause conference at this point in time. It is through the investigation, it is apparent that he and the victim, Ruby, were in a romantic relationship, so this is another case of a domestic violence homicide that we've seen, quite frankly, far too often over the last few years. I know many are asking about his immigration status. I know the Immigration and Naturalization Service did issue a statement regarding his status, and I think there is a statement available if anybody has not received that. At this point in time, that we'll see what happens to the court. We can't get into many more details than what already been disclosed here. I don't know if you want to turn over to them for questions or introduce the other individuals here.
Yeah.